Hi, I'm Elizabeth from Doyle Doyle, and today we're going to be talking about how you can clean your own engagement ring. So it's super easy to clean your ring at home, and you just need a few basic things. You need a mild dish detergent, I use Ivory, and a soft bristled toothbrush. You're just going to go ahead and put a little dish detergent in some warm water, stir it up, and you're going to soak your ring. This ring, you can see what happens in winter is you go to put hand lotion on and it all gets on the stone, behind the stone, and it takes away all the brilliance. Also, diamonds are just naturally attractive to grease. So grease from your hands and all other debris can get stuck behind this. So you want to get that all out from underneath your ring. Not only does it make the diamond look dull, but it's not good to have dirt stuck onto your prongs. It can loosen them after time. So we're gonna soak the ring. We don't need to soak this one because it's not that caked in there, but if it's caked in, it's fine to soak your ring for like 10 minutes, even half an hour. It's not gonna hurt the ring. You just really wanna loosen up the debris. You take it out, you start brushing it like I'm doing, taking extra care to get under the stone and in the mounting. You want to brush the back really well to get any debris out from under your stone. You can brush the top as well. And you just want to look that everything is out of there and that your stone is looking sparkly like it was when you first got it. After you get everything out, it starts to look good. You're gonna do one final rinse in just plain clean water. And look at how sparkly that is. It's such a difference. Makes your ring beautiful, and it's really good care for your ring. We recommend bringing it to us at Doyle Doyle every 6 months for a professional cleaning. At that time, we check the prongs to make sure nothing's loose. But at home, you can do this as often as you want, and especially anytime your ring starts to lose its sparkle. So that's cleaning your engagement ring at home. Super simple.